Okay, so we're going to look at another feature with structure, which is to take some sketch or something that you've drawn yourself and using that as a jumping off point. So I've typed into the prompt here, a clown with bright colors standing with his feet together. I'm going to click generate, and that's just to get us set up. Okay, so let's see what it starts with here. And I want this to be art, so I'm going to set it to art, and I'm going to reference an image that I've created. And the image is a drawing that I did. And where is it? What to do? So here's this drawing I did of a clown. And it's going to use the outline and depth to generate the image. They should have the rights to any third-party images. Okay, so we're using that as our structure, and we're using this as reference, and let's crank it all the way up so it follows the structure here. And we've set it to art, and let's click generate. So it's taking that line drawing, and I've pumped up the structure, so it's going to literally copy that structure of that little cartoon character. And it did some weird things with the hand, which is it didn't give me my little horn. And I can come down and from here I can experiment with the visual intensity. Let's drag it all the way up and see what we end up with. I already know that I need to actually decrease the visual intensity, but I want to see what happens if I push it all the way. Okay, so it's just very intense. Let's go the other way. And I want to see if I can't capture the little horn that he's holding. Okay, so you can take a drawing, and so yeah, now it's captured that, and I want to take it up just a little bit, and it's going to fill in do the coloring and painting for me, and I can either use this or use this as a way to move forward. So as you can see here, here's my little drawing. Let's go take a look at it. So here's the original drawing. Okay. And this is what we ended up with. Okay. So that's an example of how I can take a drawing and turn it into, take a sketch and turn it into a drawing. So it did some weird things with the fingers here. And that's one of the frustrating things about AI is that for some reason, it really has a problem with fingers. And it has a real problem with feet sometimes. But I could keep going and I could keep generating, right? And add more to it. And of course, we've already gone through the idea of using movements and themes and techniques to further experiment with our drawing. But as you can see here, it took that cartoon that I sketched out, and I took this, used my sketchbook, I inked it, took a photograph of it, and then imported it, and then we turned it into this.